What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best electric scooters that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Isinwheel GT2 is a robust and versatile commuting solution designed for adults, offering powerful performance and off-road capabilities. With its 800-watt brushless motor, the scooter can reach a top speed of 28 miles per hour and conquer slopes with a remarkable 35% incline. The 11-inch off-road pneumatic tires, supported by front and rear dual suspension, provide excellent shock absorption, anti-skid performance, and control sensitivity for a comfortable off-road riding experience. The long-range capability of up to 28 miles on a single charge, thanks to the 48-volt and 15 ampere-hours lithium-ion battery, makes the GT2 suitable for extended commutes. The scooter offers 3 speed modes, catering to various riding preferences. The smart LCD shows essential information such as speed, battery life, and speed mode. Additionally, the 360-degree lighting system, including dual headlights, side lights, turn signals, and brake lights, enhances visibility for safe night riding. The GT2 prioritizes safety with its dual braking system, featuring hydraulic disc brakes, and is equipped with quadruple absorbent systems. The aluminum alloy frame ensures durability, supporting a weight limit of 330 pounds. The scooter is foldable for easy storage and portability, making it convenient for travel. The option to install a detachable seat adds versatility to the riding experience. Priced at $650, the Isinwheel GT2 offers an outstanding combination of power, durability, and versatility, making it an attractive choice for riders seeking a reliable and capable off-road commuting solution. The 365-day or 180-day warranty for different parts further emphasizes the product's quality and durability. The Microgo M5 Pro electric scooter is a feature-packed and powerful commuting solution, offering an excellent blend of performance, convenience, and safety. Powered by a revolutionary upgraded 350-watt brushless direct current motor, this scooter can achieve a maximum speed of 19 miles per hour with a maximum load capacity of 220 pounds. The 36-volt and 7.5 ampere-hours lithium battery provides an impressive range of up to 18.5 miles on a single charge, ensuring a long-lasting and reliable riding experience. One standout feature of the M5 Pro is its smart app control and superior LED display. The innovative LED display provides real-time information such as current speed, battery capacity, and headlight status. The scooter can be paired with a smartphone app, allowing riders to control various functions and track riding statistics, enhancing overall convenience. The scooter is equipped with all-terrain off-road tires, featuring 8.5-inch super oversized rubber honeycomb tires. These tires are wear durable, anti-explosion, and provide excellent shock absorption, making the scooter suitable for various types of terrain. The dual braking system, with a crisp bell sound, rear disc brakes, and front ABS, ensures effective and sensitive braking for a safe riding experience. The lighting system, including side LED lights, headlights, and red tail lights, enhances visibility for night riding. Weighing 38 pounds and featuring a one-step folding system, the M5 Pro is lightweight, portable, and easy to assemble. The addition of a USB port for device charging adds practicality to the scooter's design. Priced at $459, the Microgo M5 Pro offers an affordable and efficient option for daily commuting, making it an ideal choice for riders looking for a reliable and feature-rich electric scooter. The Caroma electric scooter is a versatile and powerful commuting solution designed for adults, featuring a unique combination of performance, portability, and comfort. With a powerful 500-watt, peak 819-watt, brushless hub motor, this scooter can reach a top speed of 20 miles per hour and handle 15-degree slopes effortlessly. The 48-volt large-capacity lithium battery provides an impressive range of 25 miles on a single charge, making it suitable for various commuting needs. The scooter's foldable design ensures easy storage and portability, and its metal frame, combined with 14-inch rubber tires, contributes to its sturdy and durable construction. The dual suspension system helps dampen vibrations, providing a smooth and comfortable ride even on uneven terrain. With a weight limit of 300 pounds, the Caroma electric scooter accommodates a wide range of riders. Safety features include bright front and rear lights, brake tail lights, and an electrical safety system that automatically cuts off power when braking. The scooter is equipped with a soft seat and a removable basket, enhancing the rider's comfort and convenience. The smart LCD provides real-time information on battery power, current speed, and mileage. Additionally, the scooter offers 3 adjustable speed modes for customizable riding experiences. This scooter comes with a 12-month warranty, ensuring the reliability of the electric scooter. Priced between $300 and $450, the Caroma electric scooter presents an affordable and efficient option for daily commuting, combining power, safety, and comfort in a compact and foldable design. The Gotrax G4 is a foldable commuter electric scooter designed for adults, featuring a robust set of specifications to enhance the riding experience. Equipped with 10-inch pneumatic tires, the scooter provides a smooth and comfortable ride, covering a range of up to 25 miles on a single charge, thanks to its 500-watt powerful motor and 36-volt battery. The G4's rear-wheel motor positioning ensures efficient acceleration, reaching speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, while its hill climbing ability makes it suitable for steeper terrains. Safety features include an electronic code lock and cable lock for double anti-theft protection, along with a bright front LED light for enhanced visibility during nighttime rides. The red tail lights flash when braking, adding an extra layer of safety. The multifunctional LED display shows crucial information such as mileage, battery capacity, and speed, while the one-touch folding mechanism allows for easy storage and portability. The G4's aluminum frame and wheels contribute to its durability, with a weight limit of 264 pounds. Priced at $500, the scooter comes with a 30-day unconditional return policy, refund, and exchange options, along with a 365-day limited warranty, ensuring customer satisfaction. Overall, the Gotrax G4 stands out as an efficient, convenient, and secure electric scooter option for urban commuters seeking a reliable and eco-friendly mode of transportation. The Sisigad electric scooter is a reliable and convenient commuting solution for adults, combining power, efficiency, and safety features. Powered by a rated 300-watt motor with a peak output of 500 watt, the scooter can reach speeds of up to 19 miles per hour and handle inclines of up to 15 degrees. The high-quality 36-volt lithium-ion battery provides a long range of up to 15 miles per charge, making it suitable for daily commuting needs. The motor operates quietly while maintaining sufficient power for a smooth ride. Designed with safety in mind, the scooter features an auto lighting system, including a sensor headlight that automatically illuminates in low-light conditions and a safety warning taillight that flashes when braking to prevent rear-end collisions. The curved handlebar design provides a more relaxed riding position and flexible control, reducing fatigue during use. The dual braking system, with improved 8.5-inch durable solid tires, ensures stable and safe stopping, enhancing overall rider safety. The scooter is constructed with a stable aluminum frame, enabling smooth acceleration and turns. Its quick fold-and-release system allows for easy portability and storage, making it convenient for daily commuting or travel. Additional features include a smart LCD, 3 speed modes, and a 180-day warranty service. Priced at $200, with its powerful motor, long battery life, and practical design, the Sisigad electric scooter with a peak 500-watt motor and 8.5-inch tires is a sleek, swift, and sustainable option for city dwellers, offering an economical and comfortable means of navigating urban life.